Hello, happy Valentine's Day. Been a busy one today. Been helping out on another project that I can't tell you about because I'm under NDA. And it's likely you're never gonna find out about it. But that's just how it goes sometimes. But I am gonna show some interesting stuff. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. I still haven't finished that darn I can't even remember, microcurrent meter. But I did get a comment today from someone who has one completed, so I will be talking to you, Kent, and I will see about getting the right binding posts because I literally have a pile of them right now, and it's kind of crazy. I've ordered from like every vendor that I could find, and I couldn't find the original ones that Dave mentioned in his post. So hopefully I can finish that thing. I would actually like to use it. Excuse me. Kate and I had red curry tonight from our favorite Thai place, and she currently is feeling kind of sick. She has sinus troubles, so with the red curry I delivered some lotion lined Kleenex. Not necessarily from the Kleenex brand. Not sure what brand they were, but anyway, I'm gonna open some packages that I recently received. Stay tuned. I really need more stuff to pile up the desk with. A clean desk is an unhappy desk. Tweezers. These are from Hacko, and oh, are they from Hacko? Actually, I don't even know. Made in Italy, fancy. I don't think they are. I don't actually remember. I just like the shape of them, and it was sort of a slight impulse buy, but I thought that they looked really nice for SMD chips, the way the curve works. Yeah, they actually feel really good. I like the durability, sturdiness of them. Yeah, they feel really well made, actually. Cool. All right, I'm excited to use those. And we also have some Amtech solder flux 10cc kit. And this will come in handy when I go to finish up this project here. So this is the parts for the iris, I think, from DigiKey. This looks familiar, huh? Lots of bags of parts. Oh yeah, I ordered a couple of these battery holders. Yeah, so these are the parts for the iris. And I will be making these on Thursday, probably. Making this on Thursday. So, I think that's about it. Oh yeah, I actually did get another project here. So this is another one from Osh Park. And this project is called the Puck.js. And I haven't ordered the parts for this one yet because I'm still sort of working through the bill of materials. But it's an open hardware project, and it essentially is, it contains a programmable microcontroller that you can program with JavaScript, which is kind of neat. So check out Puck.js and let me know what you think. And hopefully I can get this built in the future. Should be fun. Later. I accidentally ordered the exact same binding post twice. It seemed very different though, online. big one today, folks. Let's see what we got here. LED light. I think there's 144 LEDs inside of there. Instruction manual. A box of styrofoam. It is pretty darn heavy. Is a Trinocular scope. Let's check it out. See if I can get you a better view. Still in its shiny plastic. This is the SM-4T model. And I'm pretty excited. Seems like the one to get for SMD type work. We'll see. I'm just gonna continue to unpack it here. Wow, the base is definitely heavy. I feel like I probably need to clean off the desk so I have a place to put this before I start removing all the parts. So I'm gonna do that now. Let's see what's in this box. So this is the one I have, I think. No, weird. It's not it. Seems like the wrong instruction manual. So this part has threads on it, so I'm just going to thread it into the base here. It's a Phillips head screw on the back side. I'm just going to screw that in. Yeah, so it looks like the STL2 instructions look the best. Figure that out later. So this part, ouch, man, it's heavy. Okay. Make sure that locks the forward motion, and this side one locks it down on there. Okay. All right, we're getting somewhere, folks. This slid out of somewhere. Not quite sure where exactly. Yeah, so there's like a, oh, come on, focus. This has to be inside of this screw area here. That's why it wouldn't slide in earlier. I'm not quite sure what this does yet. I just looked up a instruction manual online. Seems like gcf.uta.edu has a decent one. Anyway, that's what it's supposed to look like in the end. Looks like I'm pretty much there. Let's see if I've done anything wrong. Looks right so far. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to remove this screw on the focusing. This is the focusing rack, apparently. And we're going to slide this in here. Make sure that's loose. And then we're going to place the screw. So that essentially just holds it on there. You can also tighten it with this. Alright, cool. And then you can also tighten that part. Cool. So now it says to put the head into the focusing rack. backside here, there's a, I'll show you. I'm guessing this fits here and allows you to tighten that. All right, time to screw the photo port onto the C-mount. Let's see, how about this, the cap here. After opening the package slip, there's a download for the manual, and they give you a password when you get your shipping statement. So I've downloaded the LED 144 series manual, and I'm gonna take a look. It looks like I have the 144A because mine has yellow buttons. Apparently the other one just has a turn knob. Alright, so there's 3 pieces here. Looks like maybe more, 4 pieces. So, ring there. So it says screw the ring adapter into the base of your microscope subjective using the 3 lock screws to tighten the LED unit around the ring adapter until snug. Plug the power cord in. Don't care about LinkedIn notifications. Adjusting the light. And we'll get to that one later. Okay, so it sounds like I need to touch this guy. So this is covering the lens here. So let's see about screwing that to there. So this is what the LED is going to rest on. Try not to strip any of the threads. This has it's actually a USB, mini USB. Now let's remove these. Alright, magic of cinema here. I've gotten them all unscrewed. It looks like I didn't have to actually screw it in. Unscrew it all the way. Let's crank this thing up. These come flipped down like this, by the way. Just want to give it a little flip around, like so. No, you don't jam your eyes into the lens. I did that. Just kidding, I didn't really do that. Alright, ultimate test here. See if the light actually turns on. Hey, now you can see all the dirt on my desk. Well, that was pretty successful, I think. So there's all kinds of modes on this. Let's see. Adjust the dimness. So I ordered one more sort of critical piece to this thing, and it's an adapter so that you can actually see what's going on. Let's take a look at this. So this is the Canon adapter, the Amscope. Comes with a couple different lens sleeves, it looks like. And here we have it. So this part actually plugs into the lens that's in there now. And then it drops down into this top portion here. Let's see what it is. And hopefully it fits. Alright, there we go. It does. Maybe you can get a view of what that looks like in a second.